Hey guys, you have McGann here, unboxing what should be my limited edition Incredibles 2 doll set from the Disney Store. It is a Disney Store exclusive, and I would like to point out that this box is absolutely gigantic. It's hard to get the whole scale of it in here, but usually you're lucky if the Disney Store ships dolls in a box the size of the containers. So I love the bigger box. I love the big fragile sticker. Thank you guys. I really appreciate the improvements to your shipping process for these dolls, because they are really expensive, so of course breaking them is not in your best interest. And oh my gosh, look at how well that's packaged. Okay, like this, like I can't even explain to you. I bought like the 18-inch dolls and stuff before from the Disney Store, and there's no packing peanuts, there's none of the bubble wrap, there's none of it. You usually get a box this size. Well, hold on, let me get the big box out of the way. Oh, you get a box this size that's about the size of the box with a shipping label on it. So it's been frustrating. There's been lots of people that have had to return things damaged, and then of course because it's limited, you might not be able to order the doll set again. So with my handy dandy tweezers, I am going to try and get through this tape. It's not super sticky or anything, it's just kind of like on there good. Okay, I hope I opened it up by the bottom, but I don't think I did. Woo! Disney Designer Collection. All right. Oh, I should have opened it from the bottom. I wish I would have thought this out more, but okay. And this box isn't even super tight. Usually the boxes are super tight too. All right, first things first, let's go over the box. And again, as always, sorry about the light. It's either that or you can't see anything very well. But it is Frozone, Mrs. Incredible, or Elastigirl, but I think in this outfit I always call her Mrs. Incredible. I don't know if there's a proper term. And a little floating baby Jack Jack. This is a set 1 of 4,000. Same on the sides and on the back. Okay, it's got the price tag. This was, whoops. This was $130 for these 2 and I guess a quarter doll. Let's see some of the details here. Spandex suits, fit for superheroes, embroidered emblems, floating Jack Jack. And then there's just some text on the back. I'll just try to hold it like that in case anybody wants to read it. Hopefully that's good. It looks like it's in English and French, maybe? Again, if I haven't said that enough, these are Disney Store exclusives, and you can usually tell that by these boxes. So, I'm trying to get back far enough here so you can see what I'm doing. Let me get this whole thing out of the way. Oh, shoot, I'm sideways. I didn't even realize it. Okay, now to get this almost vacuum sealed on. Oh my gosh, it's like so weird to pull these off. Can you hear that suction? Oh my gosh, these guys look great. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's start on the side. We've got Mrs. Incredible. Looks like plastic shoes going into a little spandex suit. And her hair is a little bit more brown than red. Go on the front side. And there's our floating baby Jack Jack with his fire tip hair. Oh my gosh, I love this movie so much. And it does look like Jack Jack is all plastic. I don't see any fabric pieces on him or hair, as it were. And let me get the side of Frozone and his spandex suit. He looks like he also has plastic boots and gloves. And these are non-returnable, so if you buy one in the store, you need to be extra careful that you look over everything really, really well. And I don't know why they paired Frozone with Mrs. Incredible here. You would think that Mr. Incredible would be in there, but they did do a Mr. Incredible Elastigirl set from like their original suits back for D23 a year or two ago, so maybe that's why, but I don't know. Oh, that's a cool detail with the Frozone spikes. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, and let's get in and see that Mrs. Incredible embroidered icon with the, looks like a plastic belt. And you can kind of see where her hair was glued. I hope you can see it. It's like really obvious on this end. It almost looks like it got burnt, and I don't love that part of it. She's also got a hair loose, but I'm not going to be too nitpicky. Okay, now for the number. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. 1858 out of 4,000, which, hey, that's pretty good. That's in the bottom, or I'm sorry, that's in the first half. And, ooh, it is kind of scuffed up down here too, though, and I hate that when they come like that out of the box, because, like I said, you can't return it and there's nothing you can do. But I'm going to try to turn off the light. Oh, it's so dark. I'm sorry. I'll do it one more time in the darkness, and you can decide how you want to look at it. There's a nice, what is it, Metroville background there. And baby Jack Jack's so cute. I love him. Well, it's got, let me turn the light back on. It's got some issues with the box mostly that I wish it didn't have, and I wish her hair looked better on the bottom. It's really aggravating when they get sloppy with some of these details for $130 for a 2.5 doll set. But it kind of is what it is, and it comes in with the field of collecting, so it's either a take it or leave it kind of thing. Jack Jack is super cute. I just noticed his little booties. I don't know if you can see it, but they've got little, like, suction cuppy bits. I have no idea what they call that, but they're really on, like, toddler onesies so that they kind of get better traction and don't slip. But you guys, again, Disney Store exclusive, $130, Incredibles 2, Frozone, Elastigirl, and Baby Jack Jack. Let me put the slip cover back on. And I will thank you kindly for watching and hope you tune in for my next video. Bye!